If your training program looks like this,
Day 1, welcome new employee, here's 37 trainings that you have to take.
then we need to talk. Training is important, and typically there's lots of different types of training that each employee needs. It depends on the laws in their state, their seniority, their department, and more. But if you're dumping all of the training on an employee's first day, or if you're waiting until month 3 to start their training, then you're creating risk before the employee even gets to do their jobs. There's a very methodical way that you should be assigning trainings. Meet EasyLlama's employee training framework. The first 30 days is all about establishing a baseline. Start by assigning required compliance training, harassment prevention, data privacy, workplace conduct. Then you can add basic security awareness, phishing, passwords, data handling, and you can deliver a custom onboarding experience based on your company's culture and policies. That's it. Don't overwhelm them, just protect the business. Months 1 through 3 is where it gets role specific. Assign job trainings aligned to each person's actual responsibilities. Deploy security awareness based on each person's level of access. And make sure to have managers validate that the training is landing. Months 4 through 12 is where the training either fades or it pays off. Here, you can roll out personalized role-based training. Enable always-on security training with microlearning and phishing simulations. This is where the skills deepen and safe habits stick. After year 1 with that employee, it should feel like a system. Run annual compliance training, keep security reinforcement going year-round, and as your team grows, your training grows with it. The EasyLlama team put all of this information into a free guide with phase-by-phase checklists.